Okay, so the second video is showing you what we call the sort of wet grip on the floor test. It's not a fancy test, but on the right hand side we've got a cheap budget imported tyre. On the left, that one's our tyre, the Michelin. Now normally you do it with two the same size, but they're very close in size. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to wet the floor ever so slightly. So you've got a nice wet surface. Now you basically take the tyre, in this case the budget one, you push down with as much force as you can from above and try and turn it just to see the grip it's generating. You can see that one, it just wants to turn, there's no grip with the tyre. And then we're going to basically repeat the test with the Michelin. On that wet surface we're going to push down with as much force as we can and try and turn it. And you can see that although it's not absolutely sticking to the ground, the level of grip is significantly higher, isn't it? So just repeat that again. So again we're going to do that with the budget. Push down and turn it. Again, you might find that the Michelin's turning slightly on this because it is a painted garage floor. If you were doing it on tarmac or on something like a paving slab, it would be different. So that one's turning very easily. And just repeating the same again with the Michelin. Put it on the surface, push down, and you can see that it doesn't really want to turn. So if we were doing that on the stand, you could maybe have something like a frame through the floor going through the middle of the tyre so that people couldn't take the tyre away, a sprayer to wet the surface, and basically the two tyres. So that's that test.